come to Cyprus, they said. Fetch your camera, they said. Get some good footage. Yeah, what they didn't say is it's 40 degrees and your t-shirt sticks to you. How do? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to Protaras in Cyprus. Now today I'm going to take you down the strip in the day, the main street here, through Protaras and see what it's like. So if you want to come with me, come on, let's go. So we're starting here at the Sphinx, which, as if you look, it's got a lot of entertainment on here. Talk of the Town shows, Freddie Mercury. Tonight we've got UB40, Totally Oasis, Adele and Michael Jackson. And this is what's on for the rest of the week. It's got a lot of shows on that place. Looks quite cool and all.
Why was filming the car? Sorry, why was filming the car?
So we have straight away the McDonald's. Yep. It's got to have one, and we've hit it straight away. What a lovely, lovely bar here. Joker Square. Very nice. Yeah, you'll find that this strip's got loads and loads of bars and restaurants. I'll cross over before I get run over. A lovely Greek looking place here. Georgius Tavern, meat and fish meze, and it's fully air conditioned, guys. The other side of the road you've got the Waves cocktail bar. And loads of shops. And more shops. Yeah, this place is absolutely booming at night. It's really busy. Obviously everybody comes out with the for the meals and the drinks. Yeah, it's a busy little place. As you can see, we have a fountain. Let's go and have a look at this fountain. That's cool. The Naval Battle of Lucola. Alexander the Great. Yeah, very nice. Looks like they're erecting some kind of stage. I think they do some festivals on here. Some different festivals. It says here Protaras Summer Film Festival. You see? A red carpet. Is that for me? That's kind of them, isn't it? Get the red carpet out for me. Wonder if this video is going to be on in here. Nah. See more shops at the other side. Loads of shops. Another bar. Bar's that? The Malt House. And here we have it, viewers. We've found some. It's the Tat. It's got it. Never lets us down, does it? Never lets us down. Keep walking, there's just, it's bar after bar, after cafe, after restaurant. There's just loads of them. Like I said, this is just a daytime walk down the strip. I am going to do another video where we go out at night and I'll show you what it's like at night, so watch out for that video. So make sure you subscribe and like, hit the bell for notifications, and you'll see that video when it comes out. Elvis Presley. Some trampolines for the kiddies, some arcadey stuff. The Bliss Bar, happy hour, £5:30 to8:30. Cocktails €4, local beer €3. And we've got Frankie Valli and ABBA on tonight. I really can't stand ABBA. Yeah, so all these roads you can go down to the seafront, onto the boardwalk. I have done another video of the boardwalk walk. So if you want to go and check the channel out, you can see that on there. That's really cool. I don't actually know what that's called because there's no name on it, but that is cool. Oh, we've got a pizza up. It's got everything here in Protaras. Even noisy jeeps. The taxi rank here. Get your taxis. And Patisserie Amelia. Belgian waffles and ice cream. The cocktail bar over there, lots of acts. Oh, and here we have the KFC. Lovely. Let's all come all the way to Cyprus and have a KFC. I don't know. The Raj Indian restaurant. You know we like as Indians. Onion barge is $7.45. Bit cheaper than Calabon, isn't it? We'll watch that video and have a look at that Indian that we went to. Well, we didn't go to it actually, but we went and had a look at the menu. Cartel cocktail bar. Now we went in this the other night. There. And I have got to say the cocktails in there, although a little bit expensive, beautiful. Very original as well. Little steakhouse across the road. And a pizza place. And that's the Sunrise Beach Hotel. Good spot. Now coming up on your left here, we're staying in the Sunrise Jade and we've got a dine around. And we ate last night in this restaurant and it's a Brazilian rotisserie. And I have got to say, honestly beautiful. Thank you very much. That's €29.50 for everything you can eat. Yeah, like I said, we got it included because we have a dine around option, which that is one of them, and recommend, highly recommend. So we carry on, we've got Rockefeller Sports Bar. It's a big sports bar that shows all the local football and darts and all the sports you want to watch, the rugby. Happy days, authentic Mediterranean, and the Melina Hotel Suites. They're in a good spot for the strip, but it's pretty noisy. All American BBQ. More restaurants, more bars. They just keep going and going. And a shop. Chiaco, and now we've got Cheers. This gets really busy at night as well. Always got the sport on. And over the road we've got the Foals and Horses Bar. And next to it, the Love Boat. Now this is a famous bar here in Protaras. This has got all the acts on. And it gets very busy. And I believe it's just had air conditioning fitted, so it's a godsend. It's the Love Boat. Another ice cream parlour, Napolia. And on his left here, we've got some paddle bay courts. They look brand new. There's nobody playing because nobody's daft enough to come out in this heat. Apart from me, I'm the idiot. Come to Cyprus, they said. Fetch your camera, they said. Get some good footage. Yeah, what they didn't say is it's 40 degrees and your t-shirt sticks to you. But I'm doing it for you guys, so come on, hit that like button. I think I've earned it. So we have another little square here, the Protaras sign. And behind it, another fountain that doesn't seem to be working at the minute. It was last night, so maybe it's turned off. Oh, here we go. Or maybe not. That fountain's playing with me. New Villa there, that's a lovely restaurant. I think that's all we're going to get from them. Look at this old car here. It's even got a tax sticker on it, look. Yeah, like I was saying, that new villa there, now the van's moved. That is a lovely restaurant. Quite expensive though, if you want a treat. It's a nice looking place to sit. And a meze.
Get a mango one, start.
Another play area there for the kiddies. Got all sorts that, has it? That'll keep them entertained for 10 minutes. You know what kids are like. A Wancha Chinese and the Starbucks. And on the corner here we've got the La Paz cocktail bar. It's a nice bar this. We go in here for a drink nearly every night. Lovely bar.
It was so easy. I made sure my friends told their providers too. And they said they'll help make sure our alarms keep working.
And then right at the end of the strip, we've got another restaurant, Folio. This is another nice restaurant. And that's it. That's your strip here at Protaras. Like I say, it's them bloody jeeps. Like I say, it's very lively at night, very quiet in the day. I am going to do another video when we go out at night, so watch out for that one. But yeah, that's everything that it's got. Just a quick look for you. Lots to choose from. So thanks for coming along, thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you again in the next one. Goodbye.